In his three principal aspects of the path, Lama Tsongkhapa said, "Without the wisdom realizing ultimate reality, even though you have generated renunciation and the mind of enlightenment, you cannot cut the root cause of circling. Therefore, attempt the method to realize dependent arising. Through the principle of dependent arising and emptiness, we'll come to appreciate the unparalleled quality of the Buddha's compassion and wisdom. Without having gained a innate conviction in this valuable knowledge, we may not be able to develop a genuine faith in the Buddha and believe that he is the only incomparable one in the world, who has unfailingly taught the valid knowledge of everything. It is precisely because he has declared the principle of dependent arising and emptiness that we should arouse within ourselves sincere faith in the Buddha and his teachings.